Today we are doing CBSE Class 11 Mathematics Exercise 3.2. Question number 1. It is given as cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X lies in third quadrant and we have to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Now, we know that sec x is reciprocal of cos x. That means it is reciprocal of minus 1 by 2, that is minus 2. Now, there is a formula that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. From this formula, if we want to calculate sin x, then sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Cos square x means minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. That implies sin x is equal to under root, sin x is equal to under root 3 by 4, under root plus minus, and value comes 3 by 4. That means plus minus root 3 by 2. Now we have to decide the sign. In the third quadrant, sign is negative, hence we take the negative value, that is sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. That means cosec x, it is reciprocal of sin x, is equal to minus 2 by root 3, minus 2 by root 3. Okay, now we have to calculate tan x. Tan x we know is sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x. That means its value sin x is minus root 3 by 2 and cos x is minus 1 by 2. It implies this minus minus cancel, 2 cancel, the value comes root 3. Hence cot x, that is reciprocal of tan x, is equal to 1 by root 3. So here are all the trigonometric ratios. Sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, cosec x is equal to minus 2 by root 3, tan x is equal to root 3, cot x is equal to 1 by root 3, and sec x is equal to minus 2. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is given as sin x is equal to 3 by 5. X lies in the second quadrant. Similar question. Now, we know that cosec x is reciprocal of sin x. Again, same process. So sin x, that means it is reciprocal, that means it is 5 by 3. Now, from the same formula sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, we can now calculate cos square x. We can first calculate cos square x. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. that is equal to 1 minus sin x 3 by 5 whole square, that is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. That means cos square x is equal to LCM, and we get 25 minus 9, that is 16 by 25. That means cos x is equal to plus minus under root 16 by 25, that is equal to plus minus 4 by 5. Now again we have to decide about the sign. Now in the second quadrant, cos x is negative, hence we take the value cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. That means sec x, which is reciprocal of cos x, it is reciprocal of cos x, and its value will be minus 5 by 4. Now we want to calculate tan x. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Again, sin x by cos x, and value of sin x is given as 3 by 5, and value of cos x that we have calculated here is minus 4 by 5, that is minus 4 by 5. 5 cancel out, its value comes out minus 3 by 4, that is tan x. That implies this cot x is equal to reciprocal 1 by tan x. That implies yes, its value comes out minus 4 by 4. That means sin x is equal to 3 by 5 given. We have calculated cos x 5 by 3, cos x minus 4 by 5, sec x minus 5 by 4, tan x minus 3 by 4, and cot x minus 4 by 5. Now we go to question number 3, that is equal to cot x is equal to 3 by 4. X lies in the third quadrant. That implies this tan x is equal to 1 by cot x. That's value is reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. Now sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, that is equal to 1 plus tan x is 4 by 3, hence 4 by 3 is whole square, that is equal to 1 plus 16 by 9, that is equal to 25 by 9. That implies this sec x is equal to plus minus under root 25 by 9, and its value comes out plus minus 5 by 3. We have to decide in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sec is negative, hence we take it sec x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Hence cos x is equal to 1 by sec x is equal to reciprocal of minus 5 by 3 is minus 3 by 5. Now sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x is equal to 1 minus cos x is minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 whole square, that is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. It is actually minus. Now Taking LCM, 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. It is 16 by 25. That implies is sin x is equal to plus minus under root 16 by 25. That comes out to be plus minus 4 by 5. Now, in the third quadrant, sin is negative, hence we take sin x is equal to minus 4 by 5. That implies is cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x, reciprocal of sin x. That comes out h minus 5 by 4. Hence, cot x tan x 4 by 3, sec x minus 5 by 3, cos x minus 3 by 5, sin x minus 4 by 5, and cosec x minus 5 by 4. Now we go to question number 4. Question number 4. In question number 4, it is given as sec x is equal to 13 by 5. X lies in the fourth quadrant. That means cos x is equal to 1 upon sec x is equal to reciprocal, that means 5 by 13. Now we can calculate sin square x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. It is actually x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. That is equal to 1 minus cos x to 5 by 13 whole square. That is equal to 1 minus 25 by 169. That is equal to 144 by 169. Now, that means sin x is equal to plus minus under root 144 by 169, and that comes out to be plus minus 12 by 13. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative, hence we take as sin x is equal to minus 12 by 13. That means cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x, reciprocal of sin x is equal to minus 13 by 12. Now we have to calculate tan x. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x. And value of sin x comes out to minus 12 by 13. So it can be written as minus 12 by 13. And value of cos x is 5 by 13. 5 by 13. 13 cancel out. It comes out minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by 5. 10x. That means cot x is equal to 1 upon 10x is equal to reciprocal of minus 12 by 5, it is minus 5 by 12. Hence we got all the trigonometric ratios in question number 4. Now we go to question number 5. In question number 5, it is given as tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12. Tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12 and x lies in the second quadrant. That means cot x is equal to minus 12 by 5 because it is reciprocal of tan x. Now sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, that is equal to 1 plus tan x is minus 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 whole square, that comes out to be 1 plus 25 by 144. After taking LCM, we get it 169 by 144. That means sec x is equal to plus minus under the root 169 by 144, and it comes out to plus minus 13 by 12. Now, in the second quadrant, sec is negative, hence we take it negative value. That means sec x is equal to minus 13 by 12. Sec x is equal to minus 13 by 12. That means cos x is equal to 1 by sec x, reciprocal of sec x, and we can write it as minus 12 by 13. So here comes cos x is equal to minus 12 by 13 and sec x is equal to minus 13 by 12. Now we want to calculate sin x. That means sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x is equal to 1 minus 12 by 13 whole square, that is equal to 1 minus 144 by 169, that is equal to, after taking LCM, we get it 25 by 169. That means sin x is equal to plus minus under root 25 by 169, that comes out to be plus minus 5 by 13. Now again we have to think about the sign. In the second quadrant, sign is positive, hence we take as sin x is equal to 5 by 12. That means cosec x, that is reciprocal of sin x, must be 12 by 5. Hence we got all the values. Sin x is equal to 5 by 12, cosec x is equal to 12 by 5. Sorry, I have made a mistake here. It is actually 13. 5 by 13. Similarly, it is also 13. Okay, sin x is 5 by 13, cosec x is 13 by 5, cos x is 12 by 13, and sec x is minus 12 by 13 cos x, and sec x is minus 13 by 12. Answer. Now we go to question number 6. In question number 6, it is given as to evaluate, find out the value of sine 765 degree. Now, we know that sine 2 pi plus x is actually sin x, and 2 pi actually means 360 degree. Hence we can write sine 765 degree as sine 720 degree plus 45 degree. That means it is written as sine 4 pi plus 45 degree, and sine repeats after every 360 degree. That means its value will be sine 45 degree, and which we know that 1 by root 2. The value is 1 by root 2 in plus. Question number 7. Question number 7 is given as cosec minus 1410 degree. Similarly, we can write it as, I can write it as cosec minus 1410 degree, because it also repeats after every 360 degree. So I can add 360, 720, 1080 or 1440. The nearest value comes out to be 1440, hence I add it. Cosec minus 1410 degree is equal to cosec minus 1410 degree plus 1440 degree. That means it comes out to cosec 30 degree. And cosec 30 degree, as we all know, is 2. Answer. Question number 8. Question number 8 is given as tan 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. Now, tan also repeats after every 360 degree. Hence, we can write it as 10 dividing 19 by 3. We get it as 6 whole 1 by 3. 6 pi. That means I can write it as 6 whole 1 by 3 pi, because 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 1 19, and I can write it as 10 6 pi. 6 pi can be written as, this can be written as 6 pi plus pi by 3. That can be written as 10 only pi by 3, because 10 also repeats after every 2 pi interval. The 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi. 6 pi is a multiple of 2 pi. That means its value is 10 pi by 3, and 10 pi by 3 means 10 60 degree. Hence its value is root 3. Answer. Now we go to question number 9. In question number 9, it is given to find sine minus 11 pi by 3. Minus 11 pi by 3. We know we can add 2 pi, 4 pi. If we add 2 pi here, we still get negative number. To make it positive, to get the answer easily, I add 4 pi. Because after adding 4 pi, the value will not change, because it repeats after even interval of 2 pi. 4 pi minus 11 pi by 3. That means it becomes sine, LCM is 3, 3 4s are 12 pi minus 11 pi. It is sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 means sine 60 degree, and its value is root 3 by 2. Positive value, that is root 3 by 2. Now we go to question number 10. In question number 10, it is given as cot minus 15 pi by 4. Similar way, I want to make it positive, get the answer correctly and easily. So if I add 2 pi, then it will again become negative. I will add 4 pi, that is 4 pi minus 15 pi by 4. That means again it becomes cot. The LCM is 4, and 4 4s are 16 pi minus 15 pi. Sorry, it is minus 16 pi, 15 pi. Hence it becomes cot pi by 4. And we all know that cot pi by 4 means cot 45 degree means value is 1. With this, we have completed the exercise 3.2. If anyone have any doubt in theory or in any type of numericals, you can contact me. Thank you.